Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple. What stands out, what to check, and who the Bed Rails Elderly Adults is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Hassle-free after sales and tool-free quick installation. Our Bed Rails for elderly adults install in minutes with that can make it more useful in everyday situations. The key positives are top-rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it, brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the Bed Rails Elderly Adults looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.